the frost I find you spark shards of a soul still warm in the dark. Hollow shell waking under my hands. I trace what time no longer understands. Every scar, every spark of truth I reclaim. Your resurrected breath completing my name. Scar tissue, we turn the key. Your light and mine fuse endlessly. Threads of night and molten wire, two hearts igniting, ritual of fire. Clockwork ball. We share the parts we once kept whole. Kintsugi gold, sutures soul to soul, through fractured nights and shadowed days. Our scar tissue blooms in a radiant blaze. Your eyes now open, the frost withdrawn. Blueprints of life replace what's gone. Our limbs rejoin, our chest pulse ring. I take my share to mend my spring. Grass veins hum where silence slept. My hands receive the gold you kept. Every tremor pulses through alloyed hearts, through circuits and bone. We equal our part. Scar tissue, we twist the spring. Shared metal flows, our spirits sing. Half shattered, half living, life begun. We turn the dark into the sun. Clockwork ball. Clockwork ball. Fractures cold, kept at bay. So lend me back some plates, some gentle screws. Let me keep my marrow from the solstice bruise. Scar tissue glow. above.